Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I was a bit giggly because I was thinking about my hat. Anyway, welcome back to my channel. Today's mukbang is like my farewell for this year, and to show my gratitude to all you guys that's subscribed and come and watch my channel. So I thought I'd just do this platter of like a summer, what is it called? Tray platter. Anyway, so I got hummus, strawberry, olives, mixed olives. It's a Greek mixed olive. And then I got some hummus. Got these lovely big strawberries. And then I've got these little, tomatoes. And I've got, you know what? I thought I'd do the yin and yang. Have some sweet little custard tarts here. Got these little, hey, it's my fan. I got my sausage. See? Okay, and what else? Oh, hang on. Anyway, now I've got some capsicum and oil. Okay. Now I've got me this cheese. It's garlic and herb. Right. Look at this platter, guys. It's nice. Yes. Anyway, guys, I just want to say thank you so much for all of you guys that subscribe to my channel. Right. Yeah. So, I've got a bit of ham there. So you put this on top here, right? If it listens, then you get some of this ham, and you put it there, right? And you get a bit of this cheese, and you put it there. And what else? Yeah, my little must say black olive layer. Okay, then put it right on top for decoration, and then you go, hello. No. You just eat it, okay? My drink is my Fanta. I prefer Sunkist, but anyway, this is my Christmas mukbang, because I'll be going to Samoa for 2 weeks, guys. Who's gonna miss me? You gonna miss me? No, I'm gonna miss you guys. Anyway, but I'll be in Samoa. God willing, I'll arrive safe and sound. Okay, over to Samoa, and then I'll go look around the market, find some yummy food, and I'm gonna film it. Okay, film it to entertain you guys, my YouTube family. Guys, look at this. Can you see it? Right. Sweet. Right. Ignore that noise, guys. Anyway, How's everyone been? Eh? Oh, chica lo Faye. You guys want some? Hmm? Okay, I'll make this one for you. Okay? What do you want on it? Huh? Okay. Want an olive? Yeah. Okay. Which one? Black one? Or the green one? I put a little bit of hummus. And wait, guys, a little bit of this. Put it on top. Yeah, like the cherry on top. Yeah, nga. Ah. Mm-hmm. 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 Mm. This is bomb diggity. So here I am. Leave it hummus. I tried this cheese. Garlic and herb. Okay? And then you get some of this lovely oiled capsicum. And then you do this. Okay? Hey ham. Don't you try it. Okay? Don't you get naughty with me. So I just have to get one of these tomatoes, put it on the top, and then Bob's your auntie. Mmm. 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 Yeah, I've got a lot of Christmas colors. Red and green. Red and green. Red and green. It's so nice, guys. You know what? If you guys want to do a mukbang, try this. It's lovely. Very nice. I like capsicums. This is called bell pepper to the Americans, but we call it in Australia capsicum. Capsicum. And look at this big olive. I just buy this for Aka, mirror. Comes handy. If I didn't have this mirror, I wouldn't have known there's two. So guys, that's me wishing you guys Merry Christmas, okay? I'll be gone for 2 weeks, and then if you miss me, sorry, I'll come back and see you guys in 2 weeks, God willing. All is fine and well. I didn't get a lot of bottles from Samoa or something, yeah. Well, some people go to Samoa and get bottles. Bottle. There's a Samoan word for like scab or rash. You know, a mosquito bite that get infected and it gains the scab on it. And then it becomes a souvenir from Samoa. A bottle. So guys, so you hear someone go, eh, the bottle. You go, oh, that means someone's got a scab. Okay? Okay, yeah. Hey, capsicum. Oh, oh. There's some long ones and some short ones. And come on, ham. Come on, ham. Get on there. Man, you know, you can mix it any way you want, because it will still get mixed up in your mouth and it will taste the same. That's your guys, right? Mmm. Who's going to be in Samoa this year for this Christmas? Huh? Oh, God. If you can't see me in Samoa, you know, come and say to me that you want to shout me an ice cream, okay? It's going to be hot over there, you know. Hot. Hot like me. Oh. Hey, don't you guys go, whatever, not even hot. Oh, Dad. Look at that. It's Christmas colours, guys. Oh, hang on. Should put a bit of green there, eh? Bit of green. Green and red. Fine. No, I like it. Green and red. Green and red. You go. Mmm. 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 Guys. Mmm. Mmm. It is so delicious. Hummus and sausage. Mmm. I would need to buy me some chipotle. Chipotle? Mmm. I forgot. Mmm. And olives. Beautiful. Mmm. I'm not looking forward to the sweat. Okay. Well, lucky in my hotel room. Got an aircon. So we'll be alright when we're in the room. But once we leave our room, it's gonna be so hot. You're gonna see the sweat, the steam come out of this hot mama. Yeah, that's what I mean. Mmm. Mmm, mmm, mmm. 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 Oh my God. This is so nice. This is so nice. You guys are thinking, you gotta get some, mate, right? Yeah? Good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, come on, what? Yeah, mate. That means run and go and get you some. That's what I said in the Samoan language. Oh yeah, means go. Mmm. 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 Oh, and look guys. Mmm. Wait. See? There's cassata. Mmm. 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 So Samoa's got me this Christmas. Okay? I'll probably be hiding most of the time in my room because of the aircon. Okay? And I'll probably just come out because my mama's having an 80th birthday. God has truly blessed her with 80 wonderful years. If you live to 80, you're blessed. You're very blessed. I hope to live that long. I hope to live that long. I want to see more of my grandkids. Okay? My kitty kitties. And so I've got what's there? Got the cheese, the ham, the hummus, the mealia. Lekker mealia. Now, okay guys. Anyway, so if you guys don't know what Merry Christmas means in Samoa, it's Ia Manuia Lo Christmas. Glisimasi. So it means have a blessed Christmas, guys. Ia Manuia Lo Glisimasi. Have a Merry Christmas. A blessed Merry Christmas. Guys, I am not saying it properly. Oh. No. I did it before. Okay. This is so nice. So delicious. But you know what's missing? A glass of champagne. It's a beer. I'm not even used to champagne. It's good when you bite into a strawberry and a sweet, eh? Guys, what do you think? I'm doing good? I'm doing good? Huh? Tell me. You know another word for tell me? In Samoa? Ka'o mai. Tell me. Ka'o mai. Now you learn some Samoan from your Auntie Faye here, huh? Then when your friends say, hey, you know how to speak some Samoan? Say, yeah, my Auntie Faye taught me. Yep. And so, oh, Auntie, who's that? I'm not going to tell you anymore. You got to look her up. Faye Vids, mate. Hey, what do you think? Yeah. Just an idea. Tell them, come, we all eat together. Olive, hummus, and a nice little pepper cracker. Ngaya, man. Ngaya. Cheers, guys. I should have got a glass. I know. But I was getting all the stuff. Rushing around. I was saying, I'm late. I have to. I'm late for my date with my viewers. So guys, you forgive me for that? Sorry. Okay. Here we go. Let's get this going. I'm going to try and put everything on. There. This is my last one. Okay, guys? I've got my sister here from Melbourne. Okay, because she's probably thinking, where is she? But I said to her, sis, wait here for me, okay? I just go and say goodbye to all my viewers because they're going to think, where's this old lady gone? Where's this old lady gone? And then you wonder, has she gone off and taken off from us? No. I have gone over to Samoa. Samoa. Oh, there's a song I like that sounds like that. Probably. Oh, can you see that? It's a handheld pizza. Far out. Just a lot. Anyway, let me put one more thing on top there. So I've got the hummus on the bottom. this sausage somewhere there, ham on top, hummus, the cheese, olive. Oh, look guys, I can't be selected this tomato, and then it's like a cherry on the top. Lie. Woo! Looks like a Christmas tree. Wait, actually, you guys. Christmas tree. Christmas tree. Here I go. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Wait. Hang on. Wait. Yeah. You know what? Yeah. Where's a small cherry tomato? Yeah. 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 Okay. Over there. Yeah. Yeah. Here we go. Cheers, guys. That's so nice. So good. Man. One more, okay? One more for the road. And then I say goodbye. Say goodbye till next year, guys. And then you come and see me. Tell me all about your holiday. How your holiday was. Let me know how many presents you got. Were they good? Were they worth it? Were they something you wanted? Did they not care enough to put all the effort in it? You tell me, okay? Because I would like to know. Okay, someone's put on the wrong one. Oh, okay, cheers, guys. Ooh. This is absolutely lovely. Okay, guys, remember, have a very, very Merry Christmas. Okay, stay blessed, stay kind, and have plenty to eat. And pray for those that don't have enough to eat. Okay, guys, and I'll see you guys next year, God willing. Okay, stay blessed. And thank you to all my subscribers for subscribing. I appreciate it. Okay? I appreciate all your kind words and everything. I really do. Because you are my YouTube family. You, and you. Even you behind there in the kitchen. Yeah, you are my YouTube family. Okay? So thank you very much. And Merry Christmas. Jingle bell, woo, jingle all the way. Going to turn off my camera. Ha 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 ha. That's it for what?